Hey friends, so we're back. This is my 2026 RS660, and yeah, we're gonna go for a little ride to a popular spot where a lot of bikers meet up. I haven't done a whole lot to this bike yet. The only things I have done so far is the Rizoma reps. First thing I did also was a tail tidy. So genuinely, like, I hate how bulky the OEM tail light looks. And then I also did a little guardian bell and a swing arm. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little ride, see how she goes, and then go from there. I'm excited because I just got this back from dealership because it's got its first service done. And yeah, so here we go. This bike has been awesome so far, and I've really been enjoying it. I love driving too, but you know, riding is a different story, especially when it's a nice day like this. So yeah, let's go for a little spin. Ignore my GPS. Ignore my GPS sounds. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. And I don't know how the audio is going to be because I haven't done a video like this before. I am planning on getting like a chin mount so you guys can see the cockpit better. But yeah, this is an awesome bike. One thing you will notice is that there's a sticker on this side, but no sticker on this side. Reason for that is that when I bought the bike, there was like a little cut or like a little slit that was I don't know, something happened during transport or something, and I didn't get the bike till I bought the bike in February, but I didn't really get the bike till April because I was waiting for that sticker. I'm like, screw it, I just want the bike. So then I've been riding it since. Well, I don't even know, honestly. I just remember waiting a really long time to get this bike, even though I had bought it. But it's whatever. We got the bike now, and that's all that matters. And it's a lot of fun. So yeah. I also notice when I'm trying to use the quick shifter that it just fucking shits itself sometimes. So I'll be in first trying to get up into second, but then it'll skip a gear and miss and go into fucking third, go into fucking it'll go into, fuck, what was I saying? It'll go into it'll go into neutral instead, and I'm just like, well, what the fuck, guys? Like, what's going on? But it is what it is. I'm not too heavily concerned about it. Yeah, there's a lot of cool bikes out. There's another Aprilia over there. A lot of Aprilias today. It's a nice RS4 as well. Let's see.